Hey corazones, today we will be making a sweet and spicy green smoothie. Here are the ingredients, pause as necessary. So the first thing I did was I added 1 cup of fresh coconut water. I then tossed in 1 cup of red grapes. I used the seedless kind. Then I tossed in 2 handfuls of spinach and lettuce. I didn't have fresh ginger, so I added 3/4 of a tablespoon of ginger. And that was it, my corazones. I just went ahead and put this in my blender for about 1.5 minutes because my blender doesn't work that well. If you guys find that it is too thick, you can go ahead and add some extra coconut water to get the desired consistency. Alright, so this was the final result, a very tasty drink. It was sweet because of the red grapes and coconut water, and then it had a kick of spiciness because of the ginger. And it was rather healthy because of that spinach and lettuce. Hope you enjoyed this video. We'll see you next time. Bye, corazones.